Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Junaid Maqsood and today we will talk about adding team members and resellers to your Reloadly account. So lately, we've been getting a lot of feedback from you guys about adding team members and resellers into the same account. We know that a lot of you guys were having problems sharing the same account with your developers or finance team. So we've added a complete new module into our system where you can basically invite your developers or add team members and share the same account with different roles. We've also added the ability to add resellers now, so you can basically have other people selling for you and you can share profits with them based on whatever percentage you want. So let me log into my account so I can walk you guys through the whole process. So once we've logged into the dashboard, we now have this new menu item called user roles. And if we head into my users, we have the ability to add resellers and team members into the same account. This basically helps if you want to share your account with your developer and you don't want them to have complete access of your account. So you can basically share just the developer portion of your account with the developer. So let's go ahead and add a new team member to our account. So we'll call our user John Doe and create a simple password for them. We have to enter their phone number here. So I'm just entering a sample phone number and the email of the person you want to invite. So we have the option to either make this user a developer or a finance manager. If the user is a developer, they will only see the developer portion of your account. And if they're a finance member, then they'll be able to manage or view reports and add balance and basically manage all the finance side of your account. So let's just create a developer. There we go. That's how easy it was to basically add your first team member to the account. So we'll also go through the same process and create another user. Let's call it Jane Doe. And this time we'll create this user as a finance member. So let's save it. Great, so now we have one developer and a finance member added to our account. So your developer can now log into the Reloadly platform using the newly created credentials and they'll basically share a portion of your same account. So let's just log into as a developer and see what interface they are greeted with. So as you can see, the developer only has access to the developer portion of your account. So basically they can see the API keys that you have or view the API doc for the Reloadly and basically work on these. They can also enable test mode to use the test keys and basically go ahead and build your system for you with all the access that they need, while all your other data is completely safe. Now let's log into the finance member and see what interface they're greeted with. Now the finance member does not see the developer part, but they're able to view the transactions and your sales history. They're also able to view the wallet, so they can go into the wallet and add cards or recharge the account. They can also view reports for all the previous transactions that has happened on your account, as well as all airtime transactions. They can also view pricing, promotions, and manage other users as well. So a finance member almost has all control over your account. However, the developer only has restricted access to the developer part of your account. So now let's log in back to the parent account and look at how we can add a reseller to the account and what interface they are greeted with. So let's head back to the user role and my users. And instead of going into the team members, we'll stay in resellers and add a new user. So there are a few different things that you can set for a reseller. You can set them to have a specific balance to start with. You can configure how much discounts you want to share with this reseller. So basically they'll share a percentage of the discount that you're getting on the Reloadly account. So let's create another user, create a password for this user, And let's say we have this reseller in Nigeria and the reseller email, and let's say we configure this reseller to have a balance of $100. We'll say that we're gonna share half our earnings with this reseller and create the reseller. Now if we click on the account details for this reseller, we are greeted with a few different things. We can add or subtract balance from this reseller's account. We can add any value here. So basically if we want to add another $100, we can just add 100 and click add balance. Or if we wanted to subtract $100, we'll simply say subtract balance. We can also view the balance transfer history for this reseller, and we can see what percentage of discount this reseller is getting from our account. So basically it says that for this operator they're getting 4% discount. So if we go back to pricing and see what discount we are actually getting for this operator, we can see that for this operator we're getting 8% discount. However, as we've selected to share half our earnings with this reseller, the reseller is gonna get 4%. So you can basically set any percentage you want to share with your resellers, and they'll basically see the pricing and discounts automatically calculated based on that percentage. So let's log into the actual reseller account and see what interface they're greeted with. So we can see that the reseller has access to their own portal on Reloadly. They can see all the reporting for their account. They can use the simple wizard to send top-ups. They can view pricing. So the pricing automatically reflects the discount percentage that is shared by the parent account to this reseller. And they can also view the promotions that they have, that Reloadly has ongoing, as well as they can see payment history that the parent account has made to their own account, or the airtime transactions that they have conducted on their own account. So we are continuously updating our system with new features based on your guys' requests. So we'll be happy to hear from you guys in the comment section below on what you want us to add next, or if you're having any issues, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to answer that as fast as we can, and I'll be happy to assist with that as well. So that was all for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on what's coming next, and I will see you in the next one.